Hi, Group 2. Here are your spelling words for your test. Your first word is part. I ate only part of my sandwich. Part. Your next word is care. I care a lot about my dog. Care. The next word is hair. She braided her hair for picture day. Hair. The next word is where. Did you see where my book went? Where. Your next word is start. You can start your work when you hear the code word. Start. You have a surprise word for this week. Your surprise word is pair. Miss Freeman grouped the class into a pair. Pair.